Right, good afternoon and welcome to my fluid art channel, michellepeharArt. My name's Micky. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I've just flooded my base with black Boyle Licorice black, so I'm just going to pop some bubbles, and there we go. Just turn on my light, that would help. Okay, if you're a returning viewer, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already and you are enjoying my videos, I would love for you to press that red subscribe button. Okay, let's do this. So I need some gloves. Because I'm working with black. So I'm just going to put some gloves on. So just a quick Dutch pour today. So I'm just going to use 4 colours, or technically 1 colour. So I'm using some metallic silver, Liquitex Basics Turquoise blue, some DecoArt Stirling silver, and some Amsterdam pearl violet. Okay, so I've laid my base, I've popped the bubbles. I'm going to put on the silver first. Okay, it's my silver. Then I'm going to put on the turquoise blue. Then I'm going to do might do a little bit of the pearl violet next. Then I might put just a little bit of black top of that pearl violet. Then I'm going to do the sterling silver. I'll open it. Bit of the sterling silver, and don't think I want any white. I think I'm happy with it like that. I'll just pop the bubbles. Right, so I don't think today I'm going to blow over the base. I might just blow it out. So wish me luck and we'll see how I go. Okay, it's quite pretty. I like the black here. Okay, that's all good, that's all good. Might just give this a little blow here. Okay, leave that there, leave that there, leave that there. Okay, just pop these A little bit of a torch. I'm getting some cells up here, getting some cells in here. I think I might leave that. Okay. Okay. You can see the pearl violet through here, especially here. Okay, I think I might like that. Leave that. Not sure about that. I sort of like it, but I don't. I like how bold that is in there, so I'm going to leave all that. I like how that's gone over the edge there. We're good here. Okay, got some cells happening here. Okay, I might bring you down and we'll have a look at this one. Okay, so this is today's Dutch pour, but I didn't put the blow the base over this time. Give you a look at this. Okay, can you see the purple in there? That's the pearl violet. Need to pop that air bubble in there. So we'll start up in the left hand corner, work our way around. You see the sterling silver in there. You see all that sparkle? That's all the sterling silver. Come back around. A lot of sterling silver, and it's beautiful. Okay, there's that pearl violet. Need to pop that air bubble. Okay, there's more sterling silver. Come around the bottom. There, see all that sparkle? All sterling silver. There we go. I think I like this one. And then it just popped over the edge. Okay. So this is a very quick one today. I'd really like to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, I'd love for you to press that red subscribe button and join me for another pour. Just have a bit more of a close-up of this. I love all that sparkle in there. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very, very nice. Okay, all the colours used today will be in the description below. So pretty. Might turn the ring light off and see if you can see any. I think this, yeah, you can still see the sparkle. So all these cells all said, look, all of that. Beautiful sparkle. Okay, so that's all down one side. Oh look, you can see more of that pearl violet there. Very pretty. Okay, I will see you again for another Dutch pour. And if you just stay watching, and I will have some stills for you. Thank you.